Now, this is interesting, the political spectrum represented here. Darcy, talk about where you would disagree and where you would agree with Derek. I suppose on many other issues that, Republicans represent in Congress, since you headed up the Progressive Democrat.
Well, I would imagine on most things we would do friendly disagreement. But I think on these issues, he's right. That the whole purpose of copyright is to provide some limited term protection for intellectual property, to encourage people to create intellectual property. But then the public is to get the benefit of that intellectual property and the opportunity to build on it. And the way that it works right now, in which copyright effectively never expires, because we can't possibly let Mickey Mouse go into the public domain, is really problematic in terms of the right of the American people to build on what happens in the country.
Who does Congressmember Blackburn represent? I mean, the people of Tennessee in her district, but also talk about the entertainment industry and its position on this, and its position and its power in her campaign.
Well, I'm not going to disparage any member who is part of our caucus. She represents Nashville, Tennessee. Obviously, the MPA and the RAA were very engaged on this issue, and their perspective is that copyright should never expire. If that's, they should advocate for a constitutional amendment, because our Constitution is very explicit. Copyright has to be for a limited period of time. And that's what I was advocating for.
MPA is the motion
MPA is against that, yeah.
Film industry.
Yes, I should have specified that. And the RA is for record artists.